Imagine if Santa Claus was doing performance evaluations. I think the first thing he'd keep in mind is what I consider the golden rule of performance evals, which is to genuinely and authentically show to the person that you really do care about them and care about their well-being. The second thing he'd do would be to focus on strengths and to really identify what strengths each elf had and remind them to perpetuate those strengths and to build upon them. But the third thing he'd do as well is make sure that he gave some good constructive suggestions as to how people can do better. He's got a big operation, and they need to continuously improve that thing in order to keep up year after year with all the toys they need to get to kids around the world. So if that was what Santa would do, I think that we can learn from it. Make sure that you know, letting people know that you care, focus on their strengths, and also give them some things that they can improve for the year ahead.